In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just want to refine your skills, understanding how to navigate the chart of accounts is crucial for managing your financial records effectively. So, let's dive right in. To get started, visit the Zoho Books website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard. Here, you need to look for the Accountant tab, which is typically located in the top navigation bar. Clicking on this tab will lead you toward essential accounting tools within Zoho Books. Now that you're in the Accountant section, look for the option labeled Chart of Accounts. This is where we need to go next. Let me explain briefly what the Chart of Accounts is. It's a categorized listing of all the accounts in your accounting system, designed to help you organize your financial transactions and understand the financial health of your business. This powerful tool acts as a foundation for your accounting reports and helps ensure that you're keeping track of every financial detail. With the Chart of Accounts page open, you'll notice it's equipped with various accounts already listed. However, to tailor it to your specific business needs, you might need to add new accounts. So, let's go ahead and click on the New Account button. This will enable you to include any additional accounts necessary for your business operations. Upon clicking New Account, you'll be prompted to choose an account type from a drop-down menu. Each account type serves a specific purpose, such as assets, liabilities, revenue, or expenses, among others. Choose the one that aligns with the account you plan to add for accurate tracking and reporting. With the account type selected, it's time to give your account a name. Make sure to use a clear and descriptive name so that it's easily identifiable for you and anyone else who may be reviewing your financial records. Once you've decided on a name, you can move on to adding a brief description that provides additional context about the account's purpose. Next up, you'll need to enter an account code. This code is significant if you're following certain accounting standards or if you wish to streamline the categorization process. Once all these details are entered, double-check everything to ensure accuracy, and when you're satisfied, click on the Save button. Congratulations! You've just added a new account to your chart of accounts in Zoho Books. This streamlined process will help you maintain a well-organized financial structure, allowing for better insights and control over your business's accounting activities. Remember, the chart of accounts is a dynamic tool, so feel free to make adjustments as your business evolves. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting!